Hello guys, this is Zhicheng from Tech Revolutionist, and today we're going to take a look at the new Huawei Nova 3i smartphone. We are going to do an unboxing of this new smartphone. So do take note, first a disclaimer is that this is not a final set. This is actually a set that we took from China. So you do expect like some of the things may be missing. Okay, so firstly you can see that we have the smartphone itself. So just to give a very quick introduction to the Huawei Nova 3i. It has got a very beautiful and reflective back. This is actually the iris purple version. So you can see that it somehow transits from a blue color to a purple color at the bottom. Okay, one of the main focus of the phone is the camera system. So because it is targeted for the youth, its focus is on the front camera. So it actually has a 24 megapixel camera combined with a 2 megapixel camera. So the main purpose of the 2 megapixel camera is for the depth recognition, so you can take pretty portrait photos with nice bokeh effects. But moving on to the back, we also still get a 16 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel sensor, which also is AI enabled, allowing you to take very nice photo based on some AI recognition and object recognition. Okay, so of course this phone supports a fingerprint sensor for identification and authentication, and generally it has a very nice 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, and of course there is still this bezel at the top, but you actually can turn the sides off using software, so they will appear as black at the top. And you can see that it actually has a very large screen to body ratio, so the screen actually fills up most of the space in the front. In terms of specifications, let's move on to some of the main specifications over here. So this smartphone actually runs on the newest Android 8.1 on the EMUI 8.2.0 software operating system. Okay, and this actually using the newest Huawei's Kirin 710 chipset. Comes with 4GB of RAM as well as 128GB of storage. So it's really one of the only phone, or the newest phone, that comes with the Kirin 710 chipset, which also supports what they call GPU Turbo, allowing you to have very good gaming performance and with reduced power consumption. Okay, let's take a look at the physical looks of the smartphone. Over here you can see a volume up and down button as well as a power button. While at the bottom, luckily, we can see a 3.5mm jack for your earphones, a micro USB port, as well as the speakers. On the right, this is where you find the SIM card slot. So let's take a look at the type of configuration you can get from the SIM card slot. Okay, so you can see that it's actually a hybrid card slot. It allows you to put in 2 SIM cards, so it's a dual SIM phone. They support both 4G capabilities. Both also supports voice over LTE. Of course, you can also expand the storage of the phone with another micro SD card over here. Okay, so let's take a look at the rest of the things that comes inside the box. Okay, so you have this SIM ejector pin, but of course in the final version you also get a quick start guide as well as a clear case that protects the phone. We will also get a charging adapter. So in the Singapore version you actually get a UK adapter. This is a micro USB cable, and lastly we will still have just some simple earphones. Okay, so this is a very quick overview of what you can expect from your Huawei Nova 3i package. This is Zhicheng from the Tech Revolutionist. See you guys next time.